Kamusta guys? Ngayong araw, syempre guys, magre-react tayo sa bandang Franz Rhythm guys. Ang paboritong banda ng bayan. And medyo matagal-tagal din silang hindi nakapag-upload ng kanilang cover song. Ngayon guys, pakinggan natin kung gaano kaganda yung kanilang pamaskong kanta na Let It Snow. Napakagandang awitin nito guys. Sama-sama tayo manood, makinig at mag-react. Lamig ng boses ni Char, no? Sinlamig din ng effects ng gitara ni Master Chen.
Since you've no place to go, let it snow, let it snow, let it snow. And it doesn't show signs of stopping. And I brought me some corn for popping.
Ganda naman ng pagkaka-areglo nila dito, guys. Napaka-swabe ng areglo. Galing.
Lights are turned way down low. Let it snow, let it snow, let it snow. When we finally kiss goodnight, how I hate going out in stone.
Siyempre, hindi mawawala yung kanilang napakalupit na harmony. Ayan, tatak Franz Rhythm yan, guys.
But if you really hold me tight, all the way home I'll be warm. The fire is slowly dying, and my dear, we're still goodbye.
Ang cute ni Tatay Franz, nakasuot ng pamasko na tuxedo.
As long as you love me so, let it snow, let it snow, let it snow.
Ay, grabe. Meron palang pasorpresa dito si Master Chen na adlib. Grabe yun. Sa kanya kayang areglo yun, guys. Tingin ko parang sa kanya, no? Parang improvise na niya. Adlib.
Good night, how I hate going out in stone. But if you really grab me tight, all the way home I'll be warm. The fire is slowly dying in my dear.
Binatang binata na talaga si Dudes, Pag naalala ko yung kanyang yung mga una nilang cover, guys, ang lit pa ni Dudes doon. Ngayon, pag titignan mo, binatang binata na. Grabe, ang bilis ng panahon.
We're still goodbye. But as long as you love me so, let it snow, let it snow, let it snow.
Ang lupit ng bagsakan na yan.
Have a very Merry Christmas, everyone! From Franz Rhythm family. May your hearts and homes be filled with joy and love. Keep safe and God bless everyone. Love, love, love! Mabuhay!
Ayan, guys. Kahit alam ko, busy si Chen at si Char sa kanilang school. Ngayon, talaga naisisingit pa rin nila, guys, no? Nagawa ng mga cover song para sa ating mga naghihintay. Ayan, guys, at sa mga hindi pa rin nakasubscribe sa banda Franz Rhythm, guys, andyan po sa ating description yung kanilang channel. Suportahan natin ang banda Franz Rhythm at panoorin yung kanilang mga napakagagandang video. Meron din sila, guys, mga original song. Ayan, pakinggan nyo lang, hanapin nyo dyan. At sa mga hindi pa rin nakasubscribe sa ating channel, mag-subscribe na kayo para ma-notify kayo sa mga susunod nating reaction video. Maraming salamat sa inyong panonood.